Hi guys, I'm now here at the top of Capones Lighthouse here in Zambales. Now there are so many tourist spots in Zambales. You have Potipot Island, San Salvador Island, you have Subic, and this is one of the major tourist spots here. Again, Cape Capones Lighthouse. Later on, I'm going to go to Anawangi, Nagsasa, Talisay, and earlier I went to Camara Island. Now how do you go to this place? There are two ways of going here. You can either start from Iba, Zambales, or from Subic. I started from Iba. It's a 2-hour ride from Iba, Zambales. Then I alighted at San Antonio, the municipality of San Antonio. There I hired a tricycle going to Barangay Pundakit. From Pundakit, you're going to Harabo. The boat ride is good for 30 minutes. Then you can see the port there. You're going to trek for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you're going to reach the top of Cape Capones Lighthouse here in Zambales. It's a majestic view, just like in Batanes, in some other lighthouses. I visited so many lighthouses in the Philippines, and this is one of the best lighthouses in the Philippines. Again, Cape Capones Lighthouse here in Zambales. It's more far in the Philippines. It's more far in Zambales. Bye guys!